yet another video. Today we are going to ride the Kove on some off-road, as you can see, or some unpaved roads. I'm planning to do a round trip on the Trans-Euro Trail. Half of it in Belgium, the other half will be in the Netherlands. I once tried to ride it with a couple of colleagues, but they were not experienced enough and they didn't like it very much, so we stopped. So today I am trying to complete the route that I have planned. I will see what today brings. I'm currently riding my new Kove. I've also changed the ECU for the Pro version, so everything from the Euro 5 is all out of the bike. It's converted to a the 450 Rally Pro version now. The exhaust is from HGS. Guys know it, but I think it's okay. The sound is bearable. It's a little bit louder than what it was before, but I like it. Another thing I did to the Kove is I changed the rear sprocket from 49 tooth to 51. Muddy. Now it's some loose dirt. Something else too. Just the Kove. I like it. I'm not the best enduro guy or off-road rider, but I try to do what I can, and I don't want to go over my limits. I would like to push it. Today I'm riding alone, so I don't think to push it too much. I don't want to be laying here in the field all by myself. How beautiful it's here. Damn. every time you shut off the bike, the ABS forgets its setting. So you have to remember to put it back to how you want it to work. You can choose between close all, close read, and I think it's badly translated, but you have three options: open all, and then the ABS works on both wheels. Then you have close read, and the ABS is shut off at the rear wheel, and you close front and rear, then there is no ABS front or the rear wheel. But yeah, every time you turn the bike off, it forgets its setting, and then you have to start over. I have forgotten it a few times already today to put it back to the close rear setting. I like it when I can slip my rear wheel in the sand.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Hope I don't get stuck though. Oh, that was deep. Oh, it's very beautiful in here. In Holland now. enjoy the most about riding tracks like the Trans Euro Trail. You can find some sneaky little routes to go to. Discover some nice views. Now you are in, tell you are in Holland without telling you are in Holland. You see bicycles everywhere. I know, I sound like every other influencer who got sponsored by Kove or has something to do with Kove. I must say, this bike is very well made, very good. I think it's probably the best bike you can buy for that amount of money. I paid 10,500 euros for it, I think. But in the end, except for the exhaust and deleting the Euro 5 things on it, I think it's great now. I don't think I'm going to change anything about it yet. Maybe another tower, because this is the way I set it up like this is not the best setup.